The right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.